Greens one all, how's everybody doing? I hope well. Just want to shoot this real quick vid, call it an update, I guess. So this last weekend I worked both weekend days, so I didn't get out the woods or anything. Just basically 2 12-hour days, so day killers. Camera's being there we go. Day killers. And then I'm scheduled to work Saturday as well. Then I have Sunday out, but I'm spending it with my family, so it'll be a little bit. I mean, I still have cast iron Wednesday for tomorrow done, and next week's is already shot. I just got to edit it, which I'll probably do tomorrow morning, just so it's ready to go. And I like to keep you guys in the loop. What's going on? Like, hey, how come there's no videos on Friday or Saturday or Sunday? And I haven't bought any gear because I really haven't needed anything. I got all the knives I could use. I mean, I still have a mega list of knives I want, but it's like, you know, it's not a list of knives I need. It's just something I want. But you know, priority is first. You know, bills, responsibilities, you know, all the unfun stuff. So anyway, just thought I'd let you know what's going on in case you're wondering. So. Not much I can do about it. I think I heard they fired a guy, and I know another guy's last day is tomorrow, so Wednesday. So he's gone, so they'll be shorthanded on weekends. So maybe I'll pick up a whole bunch of shifts. So which means, you know, a wallet full of money, which I'm gonna use on bills, because you know I still gotta pay off the refrigerator. Can you see it from here? I can't tell. Well, anyway, we'll get all sidetracked. So yeah, I gotta pay off the fridge still, and then there's homeowner dues, and so yeah. So quick vid. Have a great rest of the week. Enjoy Cast Iron Wednesday tomorrow. And also next week. And I got an idea for, I might shoot it this week for the week after that, because you know it's breakfast and I love breakfast. So yeah, so have a good one. We'll catch you next one. We'll catch you as soon as I can get out, which is I don't know when, but hopefully soon. Knock on wood, and yeah, see ya.